The Lokayukta Justice P.K. Mishra has yesterday evening issued notices to Goa's Power Minister Pandurang Madkaikar, the Chief Secretary of Goa and the SP of Anti-Corruption Branch, seeking a response on the complaint that was filed by me on the disproportionate assets acquired by Goa's Power Minister Pandurang Madkaikar and his family.
फाटल्या एप्रिलान पांडुरंग मडकैकार ताच्या नव्या बंगल्यात रावंक गेलो. एक्टिविस्ट आदोगाद आयरिशान ACBत कंप्लेन फायल केल्ली. पांडुरंग मडकैकार आणि ताची घरकान्न जेनिता मडकैकारा आड भ्रष्टाचार प्रतिबंध कायद्याखाला FIR करचो म्हूण ही केस. ACBन FIR केल्लो ना म्हूण आयरिश लोकायुक्त मेरेन पावलो.
I pointed out to the ACB that Goa's Power Minister had amassed huge disproportionate assets and he inaugurated his bungalow at Old Goa on 1st of April this year, which is estimated to be costing over 200 crores. So since the ACB was not taking any action, I had moved the Lokayukta and now the wheels of justice are in progress.
लोकायुक्तान केस 10 सप्टेंबराक दवरल्या. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.